Are you interested in getting high passive income? Do you want to be in trend and earn cryptocurrency? If so, try Cryptotab Browser, the world's first web browser for mining, with an integrated mining algorithm and a reward system, which allows you to earn bitcoins while you are just using a browser. Cryptotab Browser has the same interface and functions as the usual Google Chrome. It will be convenient and clear to use for everyone. The mining algorithm, which is built into the browser due to the optimizations, allows you to receive up to 8 times more income than mining of Google Chrome. This is the easiest and most effective way to start earning money from mining without any costs. Invite new users to use the Cryptotab browser via your personal link and get a percentage of their mining and mining volume of the people they also invited. The referral system includes up to 10 user levels, which allows you to get truly high passive income. Install Cryptotab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in bitcoins every day. Join in!
Welcome once again to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about how to use Cryptotab Browser. Cryptotab is the world's first browser with mining features. Earn Bitcoin without looking up from watching videos, chatting, or gaming online. Join the community of more than 20 million users all over the world already enjoying Cryptotab Browser. Get the link below the video. You need to download Cryptotab Browser before using it. This is an innovative browsing solution, combining the edgiest web technologies with the unique built-in mining algorithm. You can get it on Windows, Play Store and on iOS. 5 reasons to use Cryptotab Browser. Cryptotab is a flexible solution providing you with all the tools to explore and navigate the web. It also has a whole pack of unique features, making it truly stand out among competitors. Earn while surfing the web. Activate mining, then just lean back, scrolling newsfeed, chatting on social media, or watching Netflix. Cryptotab's mining algorithm takes care of the rest. Multiply income and get your first Bitcoin, inviting new users to the mining network via private link. The fastest built-in mining algorithm. Cryptotab's mining algorithm delivers high-speed performance without slowing down the device, even a mobile one. You can increase the mining speed even further by enabling the Cloud.boost feature. Cloud.boost's 10x speed doesn't seem quite enough. Crank it up way beyond 1000% with even more powerful Super.boost. Switch to the new browser in a click. Doubting whether Cryptotab can fully replace your current Chrome? Don't. Import bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings in a couple of clicks. Improve your browsing experience without losing a byte of personal data in transit. Enjoy all of your favorite Chrome extensions. Switching to a new browser is not a good reason to give up what you're used to. Fortunately, you can use your favorite Chrome extensions in Cryptotab Browser too. Just a couple of clicks, and you can go on with browsing having all of your favorite tools right at hand. Or you can pick something new. Any extension from Chrome Web Store will work properly in Cryptotab. Use Cryptotab on all of your devices. Turn your PC or Mac into a powerful mining farm. Mine Bitcoin on your smartphone or tablet with the mobile Cryptotab browser or the special Pro version with a set of extra features. Control mining on all of your devices from any one of them. Cryptotab features. All you need for everyday browsing and a whole set of extra features. Security and filters. Cryptotab offers dedicated profiles for multiple users and safely stores your passwords and personal data. It automatically blocks suspicious IP addresses and malware extensions, protecting you from online fraud and other threats. Tabs and windows. Adjust the UI to your needs. Use private tabs and tab groups. Drag and pin them anywhere on the screen. Customize the new tab page to your liking. using handy widgets and visual bookmarks. Address bar. Search the web, add and access bookmarks, send links to your other devices, check website security status, right from the address bar. Search. Use private and secure search, search suggestions, and no tracking feature right out of the box. Pick a preferable search engine and customize the default search settings. Cryptotab features. The core of Cryptotab Browser is the built-in mining algorithm, but we didn't stop there. Link multiple devices to mine faster, withdraw funds with no limits, get support anytime you need. Join our affiliate program to take your Cryptotab income to a whole another level. Cloud Boost. The Cloud.Boost feature makes mining up to 10 times faster, allowing you to earn way more on the very same hardware you already have. You can use different boosts on each of the devices linked to your account, both desktop and mobile. As I said before, you can download Cryptotab on Windows, Play Store and Mac by clicking the link in the description below the video. And please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thanks. Now, download Cryptotab on any device that you have. Then install it. It doesn't matter the kind of device, it works to all. Once you are done with the download and the installation, this is how the tab looks like. Now what you have to do to start earning some money, go over to the down left corner and click on the balance. This will take you to the new page which shows dashboard of all your earnings. In your new dashboard you will see 0.00000 BTC, but don't worry, this will change soon. Now let's start making some money. Go to the top left corner bar which shows mining speed, drag it till the max. And once you have done so, you will see the digits changing from 0 to new fingers. But remember, if your computer starts to become slow, you can reduce the level of the bar to the middle. And here you should see the speed at which your computer is mining per second and the amount will be added to your account. What's good with this browser is that once you have started mining, you can go ahead to use the browser for other use as you do it normally with other browsers. Note, the mining tab has to remain open, don't close it. In doing so, you will be making money as you do other things. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thanks. And get the link for the browser in the description below the video. Increase your mining speed with Cloud.Boost. What you have to do is switch on Cloud Boost. The Cloud.Boost feature allows you to multiply your income using the same hardware. To ensure efficient work, Cloud.Boost utilizes the power of Cryptotab cloud services, mine up to 15x faster without any performance issues. To activate Cloud.Boost, tap the button, and choose one of the subscription plans available. Choose a plan that suits your desired boost performance on the current device. Please note that you can buy as many plans as your need for each device you have and switch boosts between them. Apart from mining, this browser has got other ways how you can get more earnings without spending any money. This is through affiliate program. Affiliate program is where they provide you with a unique link which you have to share with other people. And the more you share it, the more money you will be getting. What you have to do is scroll down, you will see a link that you have to copy or share it. Share your personal link in different social networks to get new referrals and earn more money. This means that whenever your friends earn money on this browser, you will get profits from their earnings. Share your link to as many people as possible. And the good thing is, they will not have to buy anything to start earning too. Now let's say you want to withdraw. What you have to do is, go at the top of the mining page, then click on Affiliate Dashboard. This will take you to this page. Here click on Withdraw. You will go to this page. And if you have some amount, you will follow the guidance they will show you. Thank you for coming this far with me. If you like the video, please help me to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thank you for your support. And remember, the link for Cryptotab Browser is below the video, if you want to make money without putting in money.
Are you interested in getting high passive income? Do you want to be in trend and earn cryptocurrency? If so, try Cryptotab Browser, the world's first web browser for mining, with an integrated mining algorithm and a reward system, which allows you to earn bitcoins while you are just using a browser. Cryptotab Browser has the same interface and functions as the usual Google Chrome. It will be convenient and clear to use for everyone. The mining algorithm, which is built into the browser due to the optimizations, allows you to receive up to 8 times more income than mining of Google Chrome. This is the easiest and most effective way to start earning money from mining without any costs. Invite new users to use the Cryptotab browser via your personal link and get a percentage of their mining and mining volume of the people they also invited. The referral system includes up to 10 user levels, which allows you to get truly high passive income. Install Cryptotab browser on your computer and start earning right now. Stable earnings and guaranteed payments in bitcoins every day. Join in!